So now we're going to be looking at the endocrine system. This is all to do with regulating our mood, our hormones, our growth, our metabolism, our sexual function. So the endocrine system works very close with the nervous system, and it's all to do with how our cells and hormones work. So it receives hormone messages which then tell the cells on what it needs to do. And it can really affect our emotions as well, so especially when we're feeling very hormonal. It's all to do with our endocrine system. So in the endocrine system we find glands, and the glands are there to give off or secrete any chemicals. When you're looking at the endocrine gland, these can release up to 20 major hormones, and they go directly into your bloodstream. In your endocrine system you find a variety of different organs, and that is the pituitary gland, the hypothalamus, the pineal gland, the thyroid, the adrenal, the pancreas, and the parathyroid, and the reproductive, so like your ovaries and your testes. In this diagram you'll see the location of these organs, and these are your major organs like I've just mentioned that are within your endocrine system. The hypothalamus is found in your brain, and it's the link line between your nervous system and the endocrine system, and it works really closely with the pituitary gland to give it messages and let it know what it needs to be doing. So the pituitary gland is a tiny pea-sized organ, and you find this just behind your nose. Now this controls mostly every part of your body, and the hormone helps with the growth, reproduction and the blood pressure in your body. So the pineal gland helps produce and regulate your melatonin. This is what happens when we go to sleep and we wake up in the morning. Then moving on to your thyroid, you've heard of underactive and overactive thyroid, so we know that's part of the metabolism and how quickly our body processes that food into energy. Then we have the parathyroid. Now there's 4 of these, that's why it's called para, and this helps regulate calcium. The adrenal glands. Now we have an adrenal cortex. This is all part of regulating. This helps regulate the immune, the sexual development, metabolism, and stress in our body. We then have the adrenal medulla, which is in the middle. And this helps us prepare for any stressful events and how we react to them. And this is linked to our nervous system. And this is all part of our fight and flight, with our sympathetic and parasympathetic system. We also find the pancreas within the endocrine system, and this helps with our sugar levels. And then lastly we have the 2 glands that are influencing fertility, which are ovaries and our testes. Ovaries that are found in women and testes found in men.